Hello everyone, रेडियो खांची 90.4 FM हम सबका रेडियो. I am Dr. Daisy Sinha, lecturer Fashion Designing Department, Marwadi College. Today my topic is for Fashion Designing Department Semester 4 students. The topic is selection of fabrics for designing. Clothing is one of our greatest basic needs. And it is a well-known fact, clothing spells our personality. As we all know, clothes are made of different types of fibers. The variety of fiber gives us a number of variety of fabrics which are introduced in the market. A successful fashion designer should have a good knowledge about the quality of different fabrics. This helps them to choose right fabric for right occasion and designing. For example, silk and tissue fabric are used for formal wear, cottons and denim are used for casual wear. A designer should have knowledge about the fabric in detail, so he or she should consider the following factors during selecting fabrics for designing an outfit. The factors which should be taken in mind is protection, aesthetic appeal, durability, easy care, suitable for right occasion, fast color, according to body figure, reasonable cost, choice of the wearer, latest fashion trend, style, cut and design, comfort of the wearer, season, personality of the wearer, color concept and color combination, color of the skin, eyeball and hair of the wearer, weaving of the fabric, and the last topic is age. These are the topics which a designer should keep in mind while selecting the fabrics for designing. For example, protection according to season and climate. The basic concept of selection of fabric is protection from different weather and climate in different season and place. For example, Mumbai people or people living at coastal region would prefer to wear cottons and flowing materials throughout the year, even in December. But people of northern India will have to choose, like in Kashmir and other hilly area, they will like to choose different fabrics for different season and climate. For Delhi, cotton and light material for summer and heavy and thick woolens for winter. People living at the hill station will have to choose mostly woolen fabric throughout the year, whereas people at North Pole will have to choose more heavy woolen forever. Now, the second point is durability. A designer should prefer to choose fabrics for designing which are durable. It means this is an important point to be noted while selecting fabric. It can be pointed out by noticing the way of weaving and touching the fabric. For some purpose, it is very necessary to choose durable fabric. For example, for uniform for school, offices, industries, police, doctors and furnishing. Next point is easy care. It must be noticed by the designer that the selected fabric should need easy care except for a special occasion, for some special design, because if they dry wash and polish every time after use, then it will be more costly for a customer and less popular. Next point to be noted while selecting the fabric is suitable for right occasion. The selection of fabric should be according to the occasion for which they are going to design. A number of fabrics are now introduced in the market. Different types of fabrics are used for different occasions. For example, silks, crepes, nets with bright colors and heavy embroideries are selected for marriages, parties, and other auspicious ceremonies and formal wears for men and women and kids. Whereas georgettes, cottons, denims, terracottans, and light material with light colors and designs are loved for casuals. Casual means daily wear. Other point is fast color. The fabric should always be checked out before designing that the selected fabric has fast color. We can test it by just dipping in the water. Generally, magenta, turquoise blue are not good for designing because before designing these two colors should be checked as if they are fast in color or not. According to body figure, this is the next point. This is the most important factor while selecting fabric for anyone. The body figure should always be considered so that the defect, if any, can be hid out with the skill of optical illusion and fundamentals of designing. For example, prints, fabrics, texture, neckline, collar, gathers, and the silhouette of the garment. These can be used to hide the defects, if any, in the body. For example, if it is the customer is with heavy body or he or she is too much lean and thin, so these defects can be hide out by selecting right fabric and designing with optical illusion. Another point is reasonable cost. Reasonable cost should be considered always. Then choice of the wearer. The wearer choice is very important because what he or she has decided to wear for the special occasion, so that should be also kept in mind. Other point is latest fashion trend. A designer should select a fabric according to the trend which is in the market. Then comfort. The fabric selected for the designing should be comfortable to the wearer. Then season. Season means season should be always considered while selecting the fabric. Color concept and combination. It should also be considered while selecting the fabric for designing. Age. Age is the most important factor because if we not consider the age while selecting the fabric, the design will not be so much perfect. So, for example, for young people, we can't select too much pastel shades or light colors or like that. Young people like bright colors depending upon the occasion. And if we select too much bright and very heavy embroidery for old people, they will not like it. So, conclusion is, a designer should be very careful and consider these 14-15 points while selecting the fabric for designing for excellent and perfect designing. Thank you.